If you adopt a policy of expecting less and giving more, then there would be a natural flow of love and sweetness in a married life. बुक नेम गृहस्थ में प्रवेश से पूर्व उसकी जिम्मेदारी समझें. Understand the responsibilities of married life before entering into it. Core questions. What is the basis of a successful marriage? What responsibilities does the marriage bring with it? Is marriage a bed of roses or a bed of thorns? Why is the rate of divorce increasing so much? Wrong expectation setting. When two people get married, they start a beautiful journey together, and with it comes lots of responsibilities and duties. But much less attention is given to this subject of responsibilities, as both parties think that marriage will be all fun and joy, travels and laughter, prosperity and dreams. But when they face reality, they have to make sacrifices and do the hard work. The dream shatters and consequently the relationship suffers. Right expectation setting and preparedness. But now imagine if both bride and groom were advised before of the duties and responsibilities, suggested that this relationship needs patience, perseverance, love, not just taking but giving, then the picture would be much different. And here, primary responsibility also lies with parents. They should make sure that the bride and the groom are financially independent, healthy, mature, and their taste and habits are the same, that their families are compatible, etc. Marriage should never be done without the consent of the bride and groom. However, parents' advice should also be considered while making choices. Glad to present a book that lays out the roles and responsibilities for the couple to be married beforehand so that they can take an informed decision and be more happy and satisfied as a consequence. Few excerpts from the book. In marriage, man receives power through the female partner's simplicity, patience, sacrifice, and service, and the female receives security, love, respect in return. Some people think that money is the basis of a successful marriage. Suppose there are enough resources for comfort, then the marriage will be great. This saying has been said numerous times, but still, as per the married couples, it is not right. Only couples married successfully can produce good children, and good children become good citizens. Therefore, the success of the marriage ecosystem affects our society. Hence, a healthy marriage is important not only for personal and family, but also for society too. Few topics covered in the book. The preparation that needs to be done before entering into marriage, reasons for failure of marriage, save the marriage from turning toxic, how to make a marriage successful. Success of marriage is dependent on true love.